The message from the universe, I would say, for Libra people, here it is. Okay, it says time to collaborate. It says now it's high time that you work on things that you always wanted to. Find people of the same niche, try to collaborate, learn from them, start a joint venture if possible. So that was message, general message for Librans for 2026. Let's see what would be their basic theme of 2026 for Librans. Okay, I'm getting the wheel of fortune that says that whatever goes around comes around. So keep doing your best despite the results that you may not see right now. You may be stressful this whole year, but do not keep doing, do not forget to keep doing the good karmas that you have been doing or the work that you have been working hard on, because sometimes the result is not important, the destination is not important. Sometimes the path that you have chosen teaches you a lot of things that you might have to learn. So always focus on that. So that would be the theme for 2026 for Librans, and trust me when I say this, the 2026 would be possibly going to be a bit difficult for you in name of making decisions. There are a lot of things that you need to endure and you need to learn before you say goodbye to it. So keep an open mind and ask whenever you are in a situation of pickle, ask yourself, मुझे इसमें से क्या सीखना है? Anyways, that was for Librans. Now let me know which zodiac sign I should pick next for 2026 general readings. Okay? Hari Om.